to handle. And we know that domestic violence is one of the most underreported crimes in the county and in the country.
My son loudly said, "You belong in a psychiatric hospital. You are manipulative and delusional."
I mean, that's certainly
what you said.
That's certainly not what I came in and said.
You absolutely said that because I wrote it down.
Oh, we're back to the writing the things that didn't occur down.
I write it down so I'll have a record.
This does not look like the anger management. This does not look like going to court to take care of the lies. What is going on? All right? This is too much. This cannot keep continuing.
I'm in a class.
Well, you need to be in a hospital, not a class. How dare I nothing? This can't go on like this. You are abusive. I am in danger.
God damn you.
Okay, just leave it, come in.
Right, so using these lies, she was granted an order of protection. Well,
Well, welcome to the world.
Why would me pressing charges on you for assaulting me and defaming me in court mean that I don't have a conscience?
After all that I've done for you your whole life, this is how you treat me.
Treat you how? Hold you accountable for your actions?
I intended no harm to you, Michael. I was just trying to shut your mouth.
We're going to get an ambulance for you. We're going to get you outside and get you in. We're going to get you in our car. I'm in a ton of pain. I just showed you notarized proof that she's been assaulting me and you're arresting me. We're going to get you in the police car. I showed you witness statements and you refused to take it. No, we don't refuse to take it. So then why didn't you take it? I asked because it's a civil matter. Okay, but that's the grand larceny. What about the other? It's a civil matter. What about the witness statements of the assault that I had in my hand? It's civil. The witness statements of her assaulting me is civil. No, those aren't civil. But those were cleared before. We've been over that. No, this is May 2nd. I have one up there from May 2nd from my biological father that witnessed her assault me with the door, and then I called 911, and then the police told me I'd be arrested because of the OOP if I fucking filed a complaint. And then I was intimidated out of medical treatment even though I couldn't feel my legs. Okay, you can't sit in the seat, right? Is that what you're saying right now? You can't sit in the seat because of your back problems? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to call an ambulance, right? You're still under arrest, okay? You're going to go to the hospital, okay? Statement, it's going to say that you were here at your place of residence. You got into a verbal argument with your son Michael about
both of you about giving money. Michael became upset after you recanted the aspects of giving him the money. After he became upset, he said, "You're coming with me to go to the bank." And he went towards you to try and get the car keys. And when doing that, he grabbed you on your arms, causing you bruising. Was there any swelling, or was it just bruising? No. Causing you bruising on your hands and arms that were not there prior to the incident. There's not a time. This is date, but no time. I will say around 5 o'clock.
Judy, stop trying to break in. You're manipulating. You're extorting me.
Make things worse for yourself.
Judy, you're the one making things worse for yourself right now. Get out or I'm calling the cops.
Go ahead, call the cops.
Leave. I spoke to the cops already. They told me to give you till 5 p.m. because once I file the charges, the state takes them over. And I have the recordings. I emailed you the recordings to yourself from today where you confessed that you stole it, you agreed to come to the bank to return it, and then...
Hey, how's it going? I'm having a problem with my mother. We had a bunch of issues, and then we worked out an agreement to settle them out. She wrote me a check. I recorded it.
I hope you'll find out one of these days that I am not the person you think I am.
Mom, it took 3 years of therapy for people to convince me that I was not the monster you make me out to be, and that is why I'm so unstable while you try to convince me of these delusions. It took 3 years for people to bring me back from that, for me to be okay without medication. Because of what you've done just in the last 6-7 months, I might end up on medication again. All right? You need to go and get a personality disorder check. That's what you need to do. But I guess it doesn't matter now. Because your generational cycle of abuse ends with this. Because that $15,000 check, you're paying for me to not be your son anymore. So once I cash it, we're done. Sure this is what you want?
Nothing's what I want, Michael, but what choice do I have?
Doing the responsible thing? Having your lawyer work out the percentage of what you've done to me in the lawsuits? And getting into therapy and anger management to deal with your delusions and rage?
Listen, let's talk.
You had bruising. Do you have a picture of the bruises? Like, I didn't see anything that day, or you didn't see things that day. So obviously this is...
It is July 6th. Judy is in the apartment in violation of the November agreement. She is manipulating right now.
Hello.
Hi, Michael?
Yes.
Hi, how you doing? It's Detective Michelle from the 6th Precinct, Nassau County.
How's it going?
Good. I'm just calling about the report you made back on July 8th. I'm trying to investigate this today and possibly put a subpoena out for your mother's cell phone, like her account information and all that. Is there any way I can meet you somewhere? You can show me what you have, so I have some sort of verification that there was a conversation that took place.
Do you have an email?
I need to see it from you in person. I need to see it on your phone, so I can verify that I've seen it with my own eyes.